Dealing with dry skin can feel like a never-ending battle. Tightness, flakiness, and irritation that never seem to go away. The right moisturizer can make all the difference, transforming your skin from dull and dehydrated to soft and nourished. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best moisturizers for dry skin that actually work. Whether you're facing winter dryness, eczema-prone patches, or chronic dehydration, these products are pro-tested, results-driven, and loved for a reason. Let's break down which ones are truly worth your shelf space. Kicking off our list at number 1, Aquaphor Healing Ointment. The Aquaphor Healing Ointment is a multi-purpose skin salve formulated to deliver intense moisture and protection for extremely dry or compromised skin. Widely recommended by dermatologists, it's not a traditional cream but an ointment, making it ideal for sealing in hydration and shielding skin from further moisture loss. It's especially effective on rough patches, cracked areas, or post-procedure skin and is safe for both face and body. Key features: Aquaphor contains 41% petrolatum as the main active ingredient, supported by glycerin, panthenol or vitamin B5, and bisabolol to help condition and soothe the skin. It's free from preservatives and fragrances, making it perfect for sensitive skin. Its occlusive nature allows it to form a semi-permeable barrier that lets oxygen in while keeping irritants out. Benefits and usage: this product is highly versatile. It can be used as an overnight mask, lip balm, cuticle treatment, or post-treatment. Healer, to use for dry facial skin. Apply a thin layer after a moisturizer to lock in hydration overnight. It significantly improves texture and calms inflammation caused by dryness or overexfoliation. Usability: though it's thick in texture, it spreads easily and provides immediate comfort. A little goes a long way, and it's best used as a final layer in your nighttime routine. It's also a great winter skin companion or travel essential for combating dryness on airplanes or in cold climates. Durability: Aquaphor's rich formula lasts a long time. A single 14 ounces jar can stretch for months even with frequent use. The product doesn't expire quickly, and since it's petroleum-based, it remains stable and effective for years. It's a reliable, budget-friendly staple in any dry skin routine. In the second spot, we have First Aid Beauty Intense Hydration Cream. The First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration is a cult favorite cream designed specifically for parched, flaky, and distressed skin. Known for its gentle, non-irritating formula, this cream delivers powerful hydration while calming redness and soothing itchiness. It's safe for all skin types and suitable for both face and body, making it an all-in-one solution for dry skin woes. Key features: the key ingredients include colloidal, oatmeal for soothing inflammation, shea butter for rich moisturization, and allantoin for calming stressed skin. It's also enriched with ceramides and antioxidants to strengthen the skin barrier. Free from parabens, artificial fragrances, and alcohol, it's allergy tested and great for sensitive users. Benefits and usage: perfect for those with eczema, dry patches, or irritated winter skin. This cream provides instant relief. It's non-comedogenic and doesn't clog pores, so it can be used on the face and body alike. Apply liberally to affected areas morning and night. It also works well under makeup due to its fast absorption and non-greasy finish. Usability: the whip consistency feels luxurious but not heavy. It melts easily into the skin and leaves a soft, velvety finish. Packaged in both tub and tube formats, it's hygienic, easy to use, and travel-friendly. It's ideal for anyone looking for effective hydration without HEAVANESS. Durability: a standard 6 ounces tube can last 6 to 8 weeks with daily application. Due to its concentrated formula, only a small amount is needed per use. It maintains its texture and effectiveness throughout the product's life and works well year-round, especially in cold or dry weather conditions. Coming in at number 3 is the ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Marine Cream is a high-performance moisturizer crafted to target both dryness and early signs of aging. Known for its lightweight feel and powerful hydration, This luxury cream is clinically proven to improve firmness and elasticity while delivering serious moisture. It's particularly suited for mature or very dry skin that needs a little extra care. Key features. The formula includes Pardina pavonica, a Mediterranean algae, ginkgo biloba, and rose to promote hydration, elasticity, and anti-aging benefits. It's also rich in antioxidants and nourishing botanicals that protect against environmental stressors. Despite being ultra-hydrating, the cream has a surprisingly lightweight and silky texture. Benefits and usage. This cream excels at smoothing fine lines and delivering long-lasting hydration without heaviness. Ideal for day and night use. Simply apply a pea-sized amount after cleansing and serum. It works well as a makeup base, thanks to its non-greasy finish and skin-plumping effect. Usability. The soft, almost gel-like consistency glides on smoothly and gets absorbed quickly, leaving a radiant finish. It has a light, fresh scent and is suitable for layering with actives like vitamin C or hyaluronic acid. The jar packaging allows for easy access and control over how much you use. Durability. Though it's a premium product, a little goes a long way. A 50 ml jar can last around 2 months with regular daily use. The formulation remains stable over time and doesn't oxidize or spoil easily. If you're looking for both hydration and visible anti-aging effects, this one delivers consistently. Taking our fourth spot is Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair. The Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair is a restorative night cream designed to calm and fortify dry, irritated, and sensitive skin. This treatment bridges the gap between a moisturizer and a sleeping mask, working overnight to renew the skin's barrier while reducing redness and inflammation. It's ideal for stressed or compromised skin, including those recovering from retinol or exfoliants. Key features. Formulated with Japanese indigo extract, mondo grassroot, and ceramides, this product targets inflammation while deeply nourishing the skin. It also contains hyaluronic acid and Hadasei 3, Tatcha's proprietary anti-aging complex. The bomb-like texture delivers a soothing effect and locks in moisture for hours. Benefits and usage. Designed for overnight use, this product works best when applied as the final step in your PM routine. Apply a generous layer to clean skin after. Serum or essence. Upon waking, skin appears visibly calmer, plumper, and more hydrated. It's perfect for users with eczema-prone or barrier-damaged skin. Usability. The creamy texture spreads effortlessly and doesn't feel greasy or sticky, despite its rich formula. The light lavender hue adds a luxurious feel, and the airtight pump jar ensures minimal exposure to air, maintaining product integrity. It blends well with other skincare products and leaves no residue on pillows. Durability. A 50 ml jar typically lasts 6 to 8 weeks with nightly use. Because of its concentrated formula, 1 to 2 pumps per application are sufficient. The formulation remains potent and fresh due to the airtight packaging and stabilizers, ensuring consistent results over the product's lifespan. At number 5, we have Weleda Skin Food Original Ultra Rich Cream. The Weleda Skin Food Original Ultra Rich Cream is a classic, time-tested formula that has remained a skincare favorite for decades. Known for its deeply nourishing capabilities, this cream is particularly suited for dry, rough, or flaky skin in need of intense moisture. It's made with organic plant extracts and is often praised for its versatility and effectiveness. Key features. Key ingredients include sunflower seed oil, lanolin, beeswax, and extracts of pansy, chamomile, and calendula. These components deliver anti-inflammatory, healing, and moisturizing benefits. The formula is free of synthetic preservatives, fragrances, and colorants, making it a go-to for natural skincare enthusiasts. Benefits and usage. Skin Food works wonders on dry areas like elbows, knees, heels, and even the face, due to its richness. It's best used as a night cream or moisture mask. Warm a small amount between your fingers and press it into dry skin. It offers instant relief and leaves a dewy glow, making it ideal for makeup artists or winter weather protection. Usability. The dense, balm-like texture takes a bit of warming before application, but sinks in beautifully once massaged. The herbal scent is noticeable but fades over time. Though heavy, it doesn't clog pores when used properly and is gentle enough for sensitive skin. Durability. A 2.5 ounces tube goes a long way. A pea-sized amount per application is usually enough. It stays effective for over a year, thanks to its stable ingredients and preservative-free nature. Its metal tube packaging helps keep the formula fresh and travel-ready, making it a reliable staple in dry skincare routines. There you have it, our top 5 best moisturizers for dry skin, each offering unique benefits to restore, protect, and deeply hydrate. Whether you're seeking something lightweight or a rich, healing formula, these products are proven to deliver real results. From drugstore heroes to luxury treatments, the key is finding the formula that best suits your skin's needs. Be sure to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite moisturizer in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and here's to smoother, healthier, and well-hydrated skin.